Hey man, it's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Got some action for y'all today. Man, I just got a big surprise in. It kind of came out of nowhere. I just seen a good deal, so I had to jump on it. But you won't believe the wheels that I just got. Let's go check them out. All right, check this out, guys. Yeah, I got some wheels, S77s. I never really wanted skinnies up front, but it was too good of a deal to pass up, so. Got 17-inch with 305s, Mickey Thompsons wrapped around them. Finally got a full drag pack. Yeah, guys, so here's the wheels right here. I'm excited to finally have a full drag pack, man. Especially some wheels. I've been waiting on this day for a while. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the tires in the car, and I'll see you when I get to the shop. Alright guys, so we got the wheels inside. Don't they look beautiful? But yeah, so we got the wheels inside. We're finna get ready and take them to the shop right quick so we can get them mounted. I'm really excited to see how they finna look, so I'll see you when I get there. Alright guys, so we made it to the shop. Got the view right here, you got the wheels right here. About to go ahead and get these mounted up. I'm so ready to see this car work. Like I said, she's about to be a beast on these tires, so I'll show you the aftermath of it.
I don't have time to be spending money on wheels right now. Because these are really starting to grow on me. I'll be honest with you, I used to not like these.
Same here.
And now I'm like, God, dude, these look sick.
I didn't like them at first until I actually seen them, like on the actual car, like at the track. I'm like, they actually really nice, honestly.
Hold on, I guess that rides back like that because it ain't popping out. Or maybe, I guess it. I thought it stuck out more than that when it was down on the ground, but. Look at that, man. I love when a brake caliper fills up every freaking ounce of space. You get yours on, Bob?
Oh, yeah.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah.
$2021.
Man, this looks sick.
Hello?
How you doing?
I gotta go take this.
Go ahead.
You have this.
You want this too? Yes, right here. Justin White knows these puppies out of New Orleans. We're one of his satellite shops. You cannot get tuned in the state of Oklahoma without coming through us.
Really?
Like, if somebody calls him, he calls me and says, "Hey, I'm giving these guys your number. They're trying to get a tune from me." And so.
Man, these look amazing.
The valve cover off the driver's side started it. There was like no wool coming out of it.
First place I need to go is a gas station. get that gas station lighting. Man, check out this setup. Hey, she's a bad man, I'm telling you. Man, she look good on these wheels. I'm telling you, it's the best decision I done ever made so far in this build, man. Woo-hoo. Man, look at this car. She look 10 times better on these wheels. And they on stock backs. Still got some room left. First thing I'm gonna have to do is take her to get a wash because she is dirty. But I'll do all that tomorrow. So let me get these wheels back to the house. Alright guys, it's gonna be all for this video. Let me know how you like the wheels. It's a very big difference from these stock wheels. Very big difference. Man, I love these. But yeah, so let me know how you like the video. And let me know how you like the wheels set up on the car. In the comment section, let me know, should I black out the trim or should I keep it like this? Please let me know, because it's gonna be one of the next things I do. And like I said, time and time again, I wanna give a big shout out to JMG Motorsports. They helped me out a lot with this build. And like I said, I couldn't thank them enough. And big shout out to Justin White, my toner, one of the best in the game. We're gonna be having videos coming up. And y'all finna see how this thing really finna go riding. Also be on the lookout for some of my next videos. I'm gonna be giving you an update on what's gonna be next for the car. And also what's gonna be next going on in my life. Once again, I appreciate the love and support. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.